Hello and welcome back to all my lovely students out there. First of all, big congratulations to all of you for clearing your SSC board. Yeah, you people are very special. You did everything on your own, and let us look into the future now. So, according to the notice that we received today, this notice had come in the evening, as it is shared on the screen for you. You can see this is regarding the CET exam. And if you ask me, I would like all my students to give CET exam because your 11th standard admission will be based on CET. First preference will be given to the students, those who give the CET. Okay, so I would like you all to go for CET. Now, as you can see here, this notice is regarding CET exam. I'll just scroll it and here. So here you can see the site, the website address wherein you have to log in. It's cet.mh-ssc.ac.in. On this site you have to go and register your name for CET, and this registration will begin from July. So here you can see the date given there. It will begin from July 20th to 26th of July. So you have only 20th to 26th. Only these many days, and it will start from 20th of July morning 11:30. You can register your names till 26th of July. So please note down these dates, July 20th to 26th July. Go on to this site mentioned and register your name for CET. And this I already informed you that your CET exam will be MCQ type, and each subject will be allotted 25 marks. English, okay, science, maths, then you have SS, history, geography. All these are the subjects. Reduced syllabus, you need not worry, you need not prepare. Just go through the question bank, go through the videos which are shared onto the channel. The videos are still there. You can just go and refer those videos and prepare yourself for your CET. Also, go through the objective type questions everywhere. Wherever you see, go through the objective type question, read your textbooks so that you are very confident of giving CET exam. It will be MCQ type, so just one reading will be good enough for you to get your answers. And the exam will be conducted on 21st August. Okay. When will you have your CET exam? 21st August. So you have ample time. More than 1 month you have. So 1 month you have to prepare for your CET. It will be on 21st August from 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Okay. 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock. So 2 hours paper, 100 marks paper. OMR sheet will be given like you had given your science Olympiad and all, no? So correct answers should be marked on OMR sheet. Regarding that, if you want how to prepare, how to write exam on OMR sheet, if you want a video on that, kindly drop in comments. I will make a separate video for you regarding how to write exam if the question paper is in the form of OMR sheet. Okay, so for the time being, what will you keep in mind? You have to register your name for your CET from 20th July to 26th July. So this work should be done first, and then you can prepare for your CET exam as it is given. See, in this table it is mentioned English 25 marks, maths 1 and 2 25 marks, science 25 marks, and social studies, history and geography 25 marks. So total 100 marks. Objective type question, you have to complete it on OMR sheet. Keep a record, write and keep this website address and register your names. All the best for your exam and start preparing. Any doubts, any confusion if you have, you can just drop in a comment. I'll be responding. Okay then, so all the best and thank you. God bless you all.